It's Friday, September 8, 2017, 6:37 p.m., and that's the Pacific Ocean, so this must be Pacific time. We're in Brookings, Oregon, staying at a place called Driftwood RV Park. It's behind us, about a quarter of a mile, half a mile. And on this beach, we're filming this with Patsy.
Yeah, he's sitting down.
Huh?
Right, he's sitting down.
There's a guy down there who's spending the night here, looks like. He's got a nice fire going for himself. This is just driftwood that they lit up on the beach. And if you want to, you can just light it up and go for campfire. The sun was out most of the day. Rained all day yesterday, and about an hour and a half ago it started getting like this. There's rocks heading out into the ocean. That's called the jetty, man-made rock formation. And behind it comes into a harbor, the marina, out that way. So you'd be looking north. Probably hearing the roar of the ocean. We're trying to find where a healthy sized wave is popping up all the time. It's down this end. There you go. That haze is all about us. Also, there's a huge wildfire near us. They had a level 3 evacuation order here in Brookings just last week. Burned 180,000 acres so far. Before we got here, we're at Jedediah Smith Redwood State National Park. Just above Crescent City, California, and we're heading from here to Carson City, Nevada. About 500 miles from here. We're gonna be there next Wednesday. No, not next Wednesday. Probably Saturday, Sunday. Here comes a good sized wave. These waves are monstrous. We have nothing to compare it against. Let's go down here and stand in the water. Look at these things. Just one huge monster wave. All right, that's it for this one because my arm's getting sore. Here comes the seagull. I can't go get it. Didn't get him. He's over there somewhere. There's a whole mess of seagulls down there.
You enjoy the beaches of Oregon, but really you can't swim in them. They're too cold. The water's just too cold up here.
It was only 65 degrees when I was 60
yeah,
degrees.
it doesn't really get any warmer during the summertime. You have to go into California and swim.
That's it for this one.